Vaseline and baking soda will give you baby soft skin overnight. To achieve this, bookmark this recipe so you don't lose it. Add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline into a container. Vaseline acts as a powerful moisturizer, sealing in hydration and preventing dryness. It creates a protective barrier on the skin, helping to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft. Next, a tablespoon of coconut oil. This is rich in fatty acids that nourish the skin, promoting deep hydration and a natural glow. It also has antibacterial properties that can help keep the skin clear and smooth. Where are you watching the video from? Let me know in the comments. Now mix in a teaspoon of baking soda. This is a gentle exfoliant that helps to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and brighten the skin. It also balances the skin's pH and can help soothe irritation. Apply it to your skin in circular motions at night and wash off in the morning. Smash the like button and subscribe if you found this helpful.